So the Advocacy Spectrum is something that I wrote and put together because I started to notice that all of the events I was attending, the articles being passed around, the people that I generally was having these conversations with, all looked like me. And I started to wonder, how do we engage all of us in the conversation for how we can be advocates for diversity? And it really came to me as I was coaching someone who was telling me about all these strategies he was using to recruit, retain, and promote women and people of color in his organization. And I thought, what if we could give everyone the tools to figure out how they can become the best possible advocate within their own organizations? And so this is a really interactive, fun, and safe way to have this conversation. So after attending the Advocacy Spectrum, instead of just having better knowledge of what all the problems are, you'll actually have some viable actions that you can take. And everyone who goes commits to 1 to 2 things that they will do as advocates that will have a meaningful impact right away.